good. I just got back from like recovering from the Twice concert in Vegas. I upload some vlogs on my Instagram and I think on my TikTok. That's gonna get banned. I'll probably upload it here on YouTube Shorts. But I'm here for some updates. Yes, if you didn't know, I do have a Patreon. Yes, so I can upload things that are blocked here over there, so I can do more longer form type of content, like maybe your favorite K-drama, your favorite variety show. You know what I'm saying? Follow the Patreon. It is free, and you could be a subscriber for $1. But those who subscribe for $1 will get like extra stuff, you know, like things that other people can't see. You know what I'm saying? You get some behind the scenes of things I've worked on, like with artists, etc. So we're still building on it. It's very brand new. This Patreon stuff is very brand new to me. Also, we'll be streaming today at 6 p.m. PST on Twitch. You already know I do stream on Twitch. If you don't know, now you know. Come visit me. If you're brand new to it, just say hi. I'll be checking out NCT DREAM Smoothie, probably do a reaction there, then I'll probably upload it here on YouTube, so don't worry. Unless it gets blocked, then it'll be on my Patreon. You already know how it works. We'll be checking out ILLIT, Magnetic, Purple Kiss, I think it's called BBB, Young Posse's XXL, The BOYZ, Nectar. I love The BOYZ. I'll be live on Twitch at 6 p.m. PST. I don't know what time it is right now. It might be like an hour from now, but be sure to be there. I'll see you guys there. And yeah, go follow the Patreon. That's the update for this YouTube channel. I know I haven't been like posting per usual. It's mostly because I've been working on some other projects, some big coming projects, which I think you guys will enjoy. That'll include your faves in a different light. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for always supporting on this JREKML channel. This channel has been up for so long, almost like 10 plus years, and you guys are awesome. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Check out the links in the description, and peace. Catch you out on Twitch, all right? Peace.